Cenozai's BOM module makes it easy for you to quickly extract critical parts information from PDFs and images to create your bill of materials. Now that you've verified the tables found in Step 2, it is time to review the information extracted by Cenozai's AI. Go to Step 3 and click Start. The file browser on the far right allows you to navigate to specific tables. The left side of your screen displays the original table, while the right contains an editable spreadsheet, the content extracted by Cenozai's AI. It's easy to compare and remediate errors with the two side by side. Use the formatting tools to indicate headers and other key information as needed, as well as merge and unmerge cells. To make changes to the extracted table content, double-click the target cell. When you have finished reviewing or remediating a table, mark it as reviewed in the file browser so that your teammates know they don't need to check it. If necessary, you can also export that specific table to Excel by clicking the download button. And with that, you're well on your way to quickly building out your parts catalog and improving cost efficiency.